why we are worried about using the low flow? Little bit hesitant to start with the low flow. Why? What are the concerns? Pressure is a concern. So as you go down, you get the more pressure. So same thing happens with the low flow. As you go down, you need to require over pressure delivery. Now, second concern, as you are flowing on the surface, oxygen की इतनी requirement नहीं रहती है. As you flow down, bit down from the sea surface, you need to carry an oxygen hood. That during sea walk, and if you remain under the water much deeper for a longer period of time, you have to carry a cylinder of oxygen. So same way in a low flow anesthesia, oxygenation is a concern. And depth of anesthesia, apart from these two concerns, other concern is gas volume deficiency, accumulation of toxic agent in the absorbent, and CO2 absorption. So we'll discuss first three. CO2 absorption most of you know how to tackle. आप लोगों का saturation कितना होगा अभी? 97, 98, 90 के नीचे वाला कौन है? No one. So we are all inhaling air. Still our saturation is 97, 98, 99, 100. True? What is the amount of air to be inhaled by us in a minute? Minute ventilation. And what is the percentage of oxygen in that air? So for a easy calculation, we'll keep 20%. What is the volume of oxygen in the inhaled air? 20% of, that is 20 के साथ 1 liter. Fine. And what is your requirement? So this formula is a British formula through which you can calculate the metabolic need, our metabolic need, our oxygen consumption. That is 3.5 to 5 ml per kg. That's come to around 250 ml for a 50 kg. So we'll stick to that for easy calculation. So our need is 250 ml. And we have been supplied with. So God has given us 4 times more safety margin. Till under anesthesia, we are keeping 50%, 60%, 70%. Is it required? आप लोग एयर पे 98 कर लेते हो तो पेशेंट में इतनी जरूरत है नहीं है. So you are overdosing. So 30% is minimum required. Why 30%? Because under general anesthesia there will be a shunting, there will be atelectasis. That needs to be compensated. That is the reason थोड़ा बढ़ाते हैं तो 30% ले आते हैं. अगर if you are delivering 5 liter, 30% of 5 liter will be 1.5. That is more than enough. So do not increase your FiO2 beyond 40. That's not required. So minimum acceptable is 30%. Now if patient saturation is going down in spite of 30 to 40, think of other causes first. This is another important graph. This blue portion is nitrous. This is agent and this white is oxygen. This is showing uptake of agent in our body. And this is the duration of anesthesia. Look at this. If you're starting the anesthesia for first 15 minutes, this is showing the nitrous uptake. This one is showing the agent uptake and this is oxygen uptake. So initial first 15 minutes, nitrous uptake is 1400, 1600 up to 2 liter. And after 15 minutes, whatever the nitrous is going in, coming and exchange to the circle back. But oxygen throughout the anesthesia, the consumption remains same, 250 ml per minute, as per the metabolic need. Fine. So, what is the importance of this graph? So, initial 15 minute, uptake of gases are on very high side. And that is the reason, before starting the low flow, first 10 to 15 minutes, you have to start with the high flow. Otherwise, there will be a gas volume deficiency.